Continuing our discussion of stoops and steps, we have a couple other solutions here that are quite simple. And again, this first one, the step going up to the door just wasn't working at all.
Yeah, it was too many small pieces. It wasn't safe. It was a very narrow step, and it made it difficult to get in and out of the door, especially if you have any bags or kids or, pets. So the customer was really looking to widen that stoop. We make it much deeper. We pulled the step out quite a bit so that you've got room on that landing to open the door and enter the home.
And that's important.
And it has a coordinating walkway with it. The paver that we used for the walkway leading up, we were able to use to top the stoop, so it's all seamless.
Yeah, so that bullnose paver on the front edge looks really nice. It ties in really well.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one we're looking at, again, we're putting a new walkway in, and you built a stoop that kind of matched the walkway really well.
Yeah, the existing stoop was made of wood, and again, it needed to be stained, needed to be painted. So lower maintenance option was to go with a new stoop that is topped with those exact same pavers, so it's all seamless, creates a really nice sense of entry, and just makes it a nice welcome to the home.
Yeah, great. So it ends up being another nice, visually nice and low maintenance again.
So this was a pretty small stoop, very simple, but sometimes coming up into the house you need more steps or things get a little bit more involved.
Yeah, it's just a little more involved construction where we actually use block to build this stoop up and make it, again, much bigger, multiple steps. We use a bullnose paver on the front edge. It gives you a nice round look. Tie it right in with a paver walk, works out quite well.
Yeah, I like that the top of the stoop in both of these projects matches the walkway that's going on from the stoop out to the driveway. So it all comes together seamless and very matching and looks very nice.
Yeah, and occasionally we have to redo railings and all too, so that gets involved. Okay.
So thank you for joining us as we discuss different types of stoops and steps. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.